In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal from your balance instead of a credit card. This process is straightforward and ensures that your future PayPal transactions use your account balance first, which can be helpful for managing your finances. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. If you're not familiar with it, you can simply type www.paypal.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to PayPal's site, which is where we need to be to access and adjust account settings. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to click on the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will direct you to a page where you can enter your account credentials. Enter your email address and your password to proceed. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so make sure you're entering these details in a trusted environment. After entering your login information, simply click on the Login button to access your account. This will bring up your personalized account summary or the homepage of your PayPal account. From here, you can view all sorts of important information such as your recent activity and your current balance. Next, you need to head over to the Wallet section. Look towards the top of the page and you should see a menu with several options. Click Wallet, which is where all your payment methods, including your balance and any linked bank accounts or credit cards, are neatly organized. In the Wallet section, take a look at the various payment methods and locate your PayPal balance. Once you've found it, click on it. This is an essential step because it lets you inspect your balance details and make any necessary adjustments to your payment preferences. Now, here's the key part. There should be a button that says Set as Preferred next to your PayPal balance. Click on this button. What you're essentially doing here is instructing PayPal to use your balance for transactions automatically. This means that whenever you make a payment using PayPal, your balance will be used first, rather than charging a linked card or bank account. Finally, you will need to confirm that your PayPal balance is now set as your primary payment method. This confirmation ensures smooth and efficient transactions in the future using your existing balance. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to set your PayPal balance as the go-to method of payment, saving you from potential fees and simplifying your transaction process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.